Alright, I'm just now coming back from Nathan's for a quick ride down to Coney Island, and the skies look like they're about to open up on us. I don't know what the heck this is about, but it's crazy. Oh man, I tell you, man, I don't know what's going on with the weather nowadays. Nothing is in a normal pattern. Things happen to be in a sporadic pattern. It's like, I don't know, we go through like four different seasons in a day. It's like morning, it's springtime. Afternoon, summer. Evening, fall. Night, winter. It's like, God darn. See if I can make it home before I get dumped on. I was scared to death of the cops or something, man. Come on, let's ride. This is how they treat people in the Jewish neighborhood. They don't want you to ride down the block on certain days. It's kind of weird how they do it, but I don't know. Shoulder's hurting me. It's been hurting me for a while now. I wonder if anybody can recommend anything about any type of shoulder therapy or anything like that. It'd be awesome if you can. As soon as this dude move out the way, I am gone. As you can see, there's so much stuff going on here in the city. At every other block you can see stuff going on. Back there's the cops. Right here you got the ambulance, the fire department. It's always something. Yeah, you can see. And you got more coming up the block. NYPD, FDNY. Oh man, it just started raining. I'll turn down the next 2 blocks anyway, so I'm good. Hopefully. everybody want to turn down the block I'm turning down? What the fuck? Why aren't you going to fucking the lane back over there or something? You can tell they all by the decisions they make. All I want to do is get home. That's all, guys. Can't even enjoy a day no more. I don't know what the hell's going on, Harp. Feel the big pellets now, buddy. Welcome to New York. See how they just throw a bank in the middle of a block? They won't sell it to nobody. But they'll lease it out to a company. Every light, come on, man. Nothing's in sync. How long the lights last? 2 seconds? Right. Oh well, I guess it is what it is. I won't get too wet. I'm only about 2 minutes out, so shouldn't be too bad. See how this editing come out with this footage. Can't even speak. Shit. The guy waves and said hi. That's what's up. I gotta be super easy. I got these Pirelli tires on, so and it's getting wet outside. So hey, you know what that is. That's how you cut people in the lunch line right here. Damn. All these little eateries, just desserts and trying to stay up underneath the tree to dodge the raindrops. That's how smooth I am. I can dodge raindrops. Am I wet? A little bit. Am I still recording? I would think so. Oh man. This barbecue place right here, check it out, Little Brothers. Google it. They said because every store around here have everybody bringing their kids, breastfeeding, and all other type of stuff while people trying to eat and pets and all that while you in the store. It's crazy how these people do that. I think they're transients that came from reject. New York is now taking California's rejects. Shit. Tony Roma's legendary ribs and everything else, supposedly. I guess we'll see, huh? I've eaten there before, and they aren't that great, but hey, look at every person in there that's eating. It's big as shit. You see that? 1, 2,